In life, there is a yin and there's a yang. And these two things are critically important. Hey, it's Dr. Anna Toker, your friendly neighborhood colorectal surgeon, and you got to have balance in your life. There is such a thing as too much of a good thing. There's definitely too much of a bad thing. These things need to be in balance, what we call homeostasis, and your fatty acids are no different. The yin of this system is the omega-3 fatty acid. This is an anti-inflammatory molecule. It actually comes in 3 different versions. So when you consume an omega-3 fatty acid supplement, we are looking for 3 different fatty acids, an EPA, a DHA, and an ALA. Now, if you're consuming fatty fish, seaweed, grass-fed beef, pasture-raised eggs, you're probably getting the majority of these fatty acids. If you are a vegetarian, you're not consuming those things necessarily. I would tell you to have seaweed. To get a high source of ALA, which you do need, I would suggest walnuts, chia seeds, flax seeds. And then to get the DHA and the EPA, you can consume seaweed. So if you're a vegetarian, those are the things that you're going to do. If you're not a vegetarian, then you're going to want to do wild caught fish and fatty fish like salmon and Alaskan salmon. That's wild caught Alaskan salmon. Boy, there is just really nothing better, I don't think. Right? So cold fatty fish plus some walnuts and flaxseed chia seed, grass-fed beef, pasture-raised eggs. The second you grain feed those animals, they no longer are making the omega-3 fatty acids. We'll talk about that next time. In the meantime, keep in mind you want yin in your life. The problem with the modern Western diet, especially in America, is that we get very little of this omega-3 fatty acid and we get a ton of the omega-6 fatty acid. We'll talk about it next time.